Hey everyone, welcome to our tutorial. Got a new JBL Flip 6? Learn how to use it like a pro and maximize your music enjoyment. Whether you're at home or on the go, these tips will enhance your listening experience. Connecting via Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth on your device. Swipe up or down on your phone to access the control center and tap the Bluetooth icon to turn it on. Pair your device. Press the Bluetooth button on your Flip 6. Choose JBL Flip 6 from the list of available devices on your phone to connect. Playing music control playback. Use the play button on your speaker to play or pause tracks. Adjust volume. Use the plus and in buttons on your speaker to increase or decrease the volume. Using JBL Portable app. Download the app. Install the JBL Portable app from your device's app store. Explore features. Connect your speaker via Bluetooth to access real-time features such as equalizer settings, battery life, and software updates. Battery charging. Check battery level in the app. If it is low, charge the speaker. Connect the USB-C cable to your speaker and plug the other end into a USB power source. A light indicator will show the charging status. Waterproof feature note. Your JBL Flip 6 is waterproof, making it ideal for poolside parties or beach outings. Just ensure that all ports are securely closed. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. You can discover more tips and tricks for your JBL Flip 6 in the playlist, linked in the description below.